good morning to you all, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and happy, isn't it? Good. Now I will show the homework review. Just verify your answer. Okay. Question number 1. Find the HCF of the following using the cross division method. Numbers 2860, 3146, 3718. Using long division method, step 1. First, find the HCF of 2860 and 3146. Now, we get HCF of 2860 and 3146 is 286. Now, we can find the HCF of 286 and 3718, that is 13 times, isn't it? Now we get 0 remainder. So what's the HCF? HCF of 2860, 3146 and 3718 is 286. Okay. Now second question, find the greatest number that divides 4410, 5040 and 4725 exactly without leaving any remainder. Now we can find the HCF of first two numbers. Now using long division method, otherwise we can use prime factorization method also. Okay, any one method we can use. What's the HCF of 5040 and 4410? 630. Okay. Now we can find the HCF of 630 and 4725. We can find using long division method. Now we get the HCF of 4410, 5040 and 4725 is 315. Okay. Third question, find the greatest number that divides 846, 1107 and 1238, leaving remainders of 1, 2 and 3 respectively. So listen, if we subtract the remainders from the respective numbers, we have 846 minus 1 equal to 845, 1107 minus 2 equal to 1105, 1238 is minus 3 is equal to 1235. Step 1, we can find the HCF of 845 and 1105. Now we will get HCF of 1105 and 845 is 65. Step 2, find the HCF of 65 and 1235. Now we get the divisor is 65. So HCF of 845, 1105 and 1235 is 65. Okay. Last class we are learned long division method for finding the HCF, isn't it? Long division method. Today we are going to study about lowest common multiples, that is LCM. Okay, prime factorization method for finding the HCF and common division method for finding the HCF. Okay, lowest common multiple, that is LCM. Okay, LCM means lowest common multiple. We have two methods. Okay, first one prime factorization method, second one common division method. Okay, already we know that prime factorization method, isn't it? Now one more method, that is common division method. Now what is prime factorization method? We have three steps. Okay, finding LCM. First method, prime factorization method. Listen here. Step 1. Obtain the prime factorization of 168 and 126. Now we can find the LCM of 168 and 126. First we want to find the prime factors of 168 and 126. Okay. Now here 2 table, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table, 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 table, 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. Then 3 table, 7 3s are 21. Then 7 table, 1. Okay. Now 126. 2 table, 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6. Then 63, that is in 3 table, 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. Then 3 table, 7 3s are 21. 7 table, 1 time. Now we get the prime factors of 168 and 126. Now we can write the prime factors. 168 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Isn't it? Now the factors, the prime factors of 126 equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 3 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. Now we can find the common factors. Isn't it? Obtain the prime factorization. Now we can find the prime factors. After, find the product of common factors. First we can find the common factors. 2 common. Then here 3 common. Then here 7 also common. Now here 2, 2 and 3. This is not common factors. Okay. Now step 3. LCM equal to product of common factors into product of factors that are not common. Okay. HCF means we can find the product of common factors. That is the HCF of that numbers. Isn't it? But LCM means product of common factors into product of factors that are not common. What are the not common factors? That factors. These numbers also we can find. We can multiply. Okay. Now here how can you find the LCM? Therefore LCM is equal to, first we can find the product of common factors. What are the factors? 2 into 3 into 7. This is the common factors. Okay. Then into product of factors that are not common. What are the not common factors? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now we can multiply 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 3 to 6 7s are 42. Into 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Now 42 into 12. Now we can multiply 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 2 is 2. 1 4 is 4. 4. 8 2 0 1 balance 5. 504 is the LCM of 168. 504 is the LCM of 168 and 126. What's the difference between HCF and LCM? HCF means we can product of the common factors. LCM means product of common factors into product of factors that are not common factors. Okay? Are you clear? Find the LCM of following using the prime factorization method. Okay? Prime factorization method. First question, 21 and 14. Now we can find the prime factors of 21 and 14. Okay. Now here 3 table, 7 3s are 21, 7 table, 1 7 is 7. Here 2 table, 7 2s are 14. Again 7 table, 1. Now we can write the find the product common factors, isn't it? So 21 is equal to, what are the prime factors of 21? 3 into 7. Then 14 is equal to 2 into 7. Now here we can get, this is the common factor, 7. Therefore, LCM of 21 and 14 equal to common factors, product of common factors, that is 7 into, then 3 into 2. Isn't it? Now, product of the factors that are not common. So, we can write 7 3s are 21, 21 into 2, 42 is the answer. Okay. Now second question, 840 and 1176. 840. Now we can take 2 table. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 0. Then 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. 0. Again this is even. So we can take 2 table. 1 2 is 2. This 1 is not in 2 tables. So we can put 1 0. Then we can take together 10. 5 2s are 10. Now here 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 1 balance. 5 3s are 15. Now here 5 table. 7 5s are 35. 7 table 1. Then 1176. 2 table. 5 2s are 10. 1 balance. 8 2s are 16. Again 16 8 2s are 16. Then 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 1 balance. 9 2s are 18. 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. 7 2s are 14. Now this is odd number. Now we can check 3 table. 5 plus 7 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So we can take 3 table. 4 3s are 12. 2 balance 27. 9 3s are 27. Then 7 7s are 49. Then 7 table 1. Okay. Now we can write the prime factors of 840 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Then 1176 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 7 into 7. Now what are the common factors? 7, 3, 2, 2, then again 2. Now therefore LCM of 840 and 1176 and 1176 equal to. Now we can multiply all prime factors, common factors. First we can multiply the common factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into product of the factors that are not common. Okay, in 5 into 7. Okay, equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 7 3s are 21. Now this is 8 into 7 3s are 21 into 7 5s are 35. Okay, now we can multiply 8 into 21. 21 into 8, 60. 168 into 35. Okay, we can multiply by 35. 8 5s are 40, 4 balance. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 4, 34. 3 balance. 5, 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 3s are 24, 2 balance. 6 3s are 18, 2 plus 2, 20, 2 balance. 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Now 0, 8, 8, 5. Okay, equal to 5880 is the LCM of 840 and 1176. Clear? Second method, common division method for finding LCM. Okay, common division method. For example, find the LCM of 140 and 175. Now step 1, arrange the numbers together separated by commas. Arrange the numbers together. Now here, arrange the numbers together separated by commas means 140, comma 175. Together, we can put this prime factorization method. That is DAW method. Okay, 140, comma 175. Arrange the numbers together separated by commas. Okay, we have 2 numbers means we can take 2 numbers. Suppose we have 3 numbers means again we can put the comma and add third number also. Okay, now second one, second step, start with the smallest prime divisor and go on dividing till none of the number can be divided any further. Start with the smallest prime divisor. What are the smallest prime divisor? 3. First one 2. Next 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Isn't it? Now we can start here. two-tailed. This is the smallest prime divisor. Okay. Now here this is even, but this is odd number. This is we can't divisible by 2. So we can write the same number down. Okay. Now bring down the same number. Okay. Now here two table, 7 2s are 14, then 0, comma. This is not a two table, so we can bring down the same number 175. Okay. Now here we have again one even number. So we can write two table, 3 2s are 6, 1 balance 10, 5 2s are 50, 5 2s are sorry, 3 2s are 6, yes, 3 2s are 6, 1 balance 10, 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now here 175 we can write down. Now listen here. This 35 is not in 3 table, but here this is 5 3s are 15. This 175 also not divisible by 3. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 5 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So we can't take 3. So we can do next prime number, that is 5. 7 5s are 35. Here 3 5s are 15. 2 balance 25. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Then next here again 5 table. This 7 we can bring down the same number. Now here 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now we can write these two numbers in 7 table. 1 7 is 7. 1 7. We can stop here. Okay. Now what is LCM? Therefore LCM of 140 and 175 equal to, now we can multiply all the prime factors. Okay, what are the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. That we can write the product of these prime factors. 2 into 2 times, then again 5 2 times, then 7 1 time. Okay, now 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, then 20 into 5 is 100, then 100 into 7, 700. So, what is the LCM of 140 and 175? 700. Clear? What is the common division method? First, we want to arrange the numbers together separated by commas. Then, start with the smallest prime divisor and go on dividing till none of the numbers can be divided any further. Okay. Here 1. Remainder here we get 1. Then we can stop it. Then we can multiply all the prime factors. Product of all prime factors. Okay. This is the LCM of 140 and 175. Okay. Exercise 4.3. Find the LCM of the following using the common division method. Okay. Question number 1. 108 and 72. Okay. Now we can write 108, 72. Arrange the numbers with comma. Okay. Now here 2 table, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6, 1 balance 12, 6 2s are 12. Then again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 1 balance 14, 7 2s are 14. Then 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. Then again this 18 is a 2 table. So 27, this is we can write, bring down that same 27. Now here 9 2s are 18. Now this 27 and 9 is in 3 table. So 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3. Again 3 table, 1 3 is 3. Then we can write here 1. Now therefore LCM of 108 and 72 equal to, now we can multiply all prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 into 8, 8 7s are 56, 5 balance. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5, 21. 216. What's the LCM of 108 and 72? 216. Clear? Okay, the next question. We can arrange the numbers with comma 144, 192 and 168. Okay. Now here these all even numbers. So we can take two tables. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Then 9 2s are 18, 1 balance 12, 6 2s are 12. Then 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 1 balance, 6 2s are 12. Then 4 2s are 8, 1 balance, 16, 8 2s are 16. Then 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now we can take again 2 table. Isn't it? 2 table. 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2. Now we can take again 2 table. 9 2s are 18, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Here this 21 is not in 2 tables, so we can bring down 21. Now this 12 is in 2 tables, so we can take 2 table. 9, 6 2s are 12, then 21. Okay. Now we can take again 2 table. 9, 3 2s are 6, 21. Because 9 and 21 is an odd number that is not divisible by 2. Now we can take 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3, 7 3s are 21. Then again we can take 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 1, then 7. Again we can take 7 table. 1 1 1. 1 7 is 7. Now we can stop. Okay. Now what is the LCM of 144? Now we can write the LCM of, therefore LCM of 144, 192 and 168 equal to, now we can find the multiply all the prime factors, isn't it? 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 times, isn't it? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 into 3 into 3 7. Okay, 3 into 3 into 7. Now we can multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 2 64. Now 2 over, then 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. Now we can multiply 64 into 63. 4 3s are 12, 1 balance. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. 6 4s are 24, 2 balance. 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38. Okay, 38. Now we can add 2, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 balance, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 balance, 4. 4,032 is the answer. Okay, 4,032 is the answer. What is the LCM of 144, 192 and 168? 4,032. Clear? Homework, book page number 45, exercise 4.3, question number 1, 12th question, question number 2, 12th question. Okay, 2 questions we have homework. Okay, we can continue next class. Thank you.